Gen Sanyatwe confirms India trip amid Baba Jukwa, poison attack claims. Harare, the 13th of September 2025, retired Army commander and current Minister of Sports and Recreation, Anselm Sanyatwe, has partly confirmed details of a controversial leak by whistleblower Baba Jukwa, who alleged that the minister traveled to India for emergency medical treatment following a suspected poison attack. Speaking briefly to ZVAITWA, Sanyatwe confirmed he had been in India earlier this year, but downplayed the purpose of the trip. "I traveled to India for some of our sports events," he said, confirming records seen by the publication showing he was in the country between June and July. However, military sources insist the visit was not sports-related. He had to obtain emergency treatments after the diagnosis, one source claimed, alleging the minister was bound by state secrecy protocols and therefore could not openly discuss the matter. Baba Jukwa, a shadowy whistleblower figure, alleged that Sanyatwe had been targeted in the same wave of poison attacks that critics say have claimed the lives of several top military figures over the past 5 years. Sanyatwe's removal from the army in March was followed within days by the sudden deaths of 2 other generals, fueling speculation of foul play. These came after earlier high-profile deaths, including that of former Air Force Chief and Agriculture Minister Parence Shiri, whose passing in 2020 was controversially attributed to COVID-19 by President Emerson Mnangagwa. The string of unexplained deaths has raised questions about factional battles within the military and the wider security establishment. While official narratives cite natural causes, whispers of systematic poisoning continue to circulate both inside and outside government circles. Sanyatwe, for his part, has not commented on the alleged attack or the deaths of his colleagues.